gosh, I can't wait for today's competition. My mains and my goals. Okay, my main's going to be my monster. Go. For 2x2, the next cube, 2x2 and 3x3. And my goals are sub 5 for 2x2 and sub 15 for 3x3. All right, let's go get ready for this tournament. Dude, extremely excited. Need a travel bag. Where's my travel bag? All right. All right, let's trace this out. And obviously, it's going to meet up here. So they said make your own 2x2 thing and 3x3 thing to place your cubes and to make your own mains and goals. So that's what I'm here to do. Make my own mains, make my own goals. Okay. Let's go get ready for this trip. Yep, trip. Oh, found my travel bag. Let's go. Oh, gosh, look at this place. Huh, so looks like where I place my cubes. Oh wait, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I remember. Hey, do you know what station I'm at? Yeah, you should be around station 3. It should say your name on the front, but on the back it should say station 3. Is that okay? Yes, sir. I'll head there right now. Looks like station that has my name over there. Let's head over there. Now let me check to see if it says station 3. Yes. Okay. Now I have to go get my gut judge. All right. First solve of 2x2. Ooh, I'm slow today. Oh, this is crazy. Like, absolutely crazy. 23.33 BR. First solve of 2x2. Doo-doo. God, that was absolutely horrible. All right, time for our next one. Crap. That was not supposed to happen. Come on. Let's. Oh, dang it. I got my PB. 23.71. Time for a new solve. That was horrible. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. What? Oh, to beat a world record. Oh my god! I just beat a world record! I just beat the world record! Let's go! Time for my last two solves. And done! Let's go! 7 seconds for my last solve. That's 2 by 2. Let's go! Let's go see the results right now. I just can't wait. Alright, bet. I'd like to pronounce the 2 by 2 world record holder goes to Braden, beating the world record 0.09 milliseconds. Never seen before. Let's go! Hey, it's been a pleasure. I love seeing everything too, especially y'all and young. Like, it's been a pleasure, bro. Like, I was just like, boom. And I was like, I can do it. And I was like, 0.09 seconds. Now, I beat the world record, and now I'm officially the world record holder of 2 by 2. Let's go get those 3 by 3 scores in. Right. Oh, sorry. Oh, I have a judge now. Oh, here's the pen. Sorry. I used it to write down my 2 by 2. Here, let me put 3 by 3. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Bet. I think I could break my PB average. Huh? Oh. Yes. Where are we going? I'll be there in a sec. God, I'm thinking of my mom. Crazy. I just wish she was here to cheer me on, but nobody likes to cheer me on at my Rubik's Cube competitions. I completely understand that. But I don't understand why it has to be me for no one to support me. Me love you, Timmy, 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 Timmy. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, show me the score, Judge. Let's get lit. I'm sorry to break it to you, but if you get over a minute average, you're not allowed to compete anymore. Please sign here for your execution for today. Sign here? Give me that. I'm leaving. Get it.